back to my channel. This is me, a06 with...
This is me, a09.
Together,
we are 69.
Well, I have 4 and he has 3. So I'm going to open mine first. This is the one I got first. Well, so I want... Oh my god, all are cute. I don't like much, maybe Snow White. I can have... the one that I really like is the special because it will light up with batteries, of course.
Ooh.
Yeah, that one was just normal, but the least favorite is Snow White. You? Which one?
So
You think I will get?
Ariel.
Ariel? Okay, let's open this box. Oh, ew. Oh my god!
Are we allowed to?
Okay, it's not no. It's not plastic bag. Okay. Oh my god, it's
Are we
like
allowed to look at it?
no,
Do you already do?
no. Okay, let's try.
Close your eyes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I believe us.
Who are you?
Who are you? Okay, we're allowed to look. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, who is the girl I see? It's Mulan. Biatch. That's Mulan. And I think all of them will light up actually if you just put batteries below. You need to unscrew this. For now, it doesn't have so.
A09.
So nice. Okay. Great. Okay, we're not allowed to do.
Listen.
Ayan, uy.
Oh, don't look. Don't
Okay.
look,
Ikaw
don't
sa
look.
lulugog. Okay. Cheating.
You're cheating. No, not yet. I haven't opened it yet.
Okay.
Open it yet. I haven't opened it yet. Open. It's still in the bag.
Unboxing.
Alright, close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Open your
I'm gonna open it.
eyes.
Hey.
Hayop. Dali ka na.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 3.
Oh, the Sakura. I think this is the spring one.
Really?
Spring. The Sakura. Kawaii. Oh, shit. That's cute.
Who are you?
Okay, next is another Disney one. This one is kind of new. I want all of them except for Aurora. I don't know. I just don't like the owl. It's like or Belle because it doesn't have like the Disney dress. I don't know, but all are cute.
You like the Ariel.
Which is everything. I think no number one I like is Moana. Which one?
I'll take Merida's challenge.
Merida's challenge.
Alright,
Okay.
open it up.
Shh. Oh. My hands are dry.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Oh my god, it's vague. Oh, thank you, bro. Close your eyes, Close your eyes. Open your eyes, darling.
You already opened it?
No, oh, it's Tiana
Pride.
in the Prague.
Yeah.
Frog. It's Tiana. So this is it. No, okay, we just. I don't like that it's not magnet or not going to, stay in one place. Like, you see? But yeah, they're going to dance. Oh, I forgot to show a card. And the other one as well. Where's the card?
For my Yuki, I Ooh.
Ooh. What's the name?
Japanese style rabbit.
Oh, so
Japanese style rabbit.
Hala. Hala. Oh, wow. Can't you see? Okay. I realized it's not Pop Mart. It's 52 toys, this one. But this is Pop Mart.
So
And
my
this one is
turn.
not Pop Mart.
It's my turn.
Okay,
Move
okay.
out the way.
Okay, sorry. Damn.
I'm gonna open the next.
Wait. Which one do you want? I want to have Serenity. Serenity and the Trust is nice too. Joy is nice. Joy is here. Joy, which one? I don't really like the.
I'll take.
Wait. I don't really like the Grief or the Terror because it's cumbersome.
For me, I'll take defensiveness.
Defensive.
Yes.
And which one you don't like?
I like everything, so it should be fine.
You don't like? You don't like?
I like everything.
Okay. Okay. Touch your eyes.
Open
Your eyes. Oh, shish. Alright. Manifesting. My first ever small panda.
Close your eyes.
I'm closing.
Close your eyes. Open the box, darling. I'm gonna open it. Close your eyes.
Oh, shit. Okay. Can I open it?
Wait. Okay, open it. 1, 2, 3. Who are you? Who am I?
What is that?
Ooh,
That-
the awe.
Oh.
She is the awe.
Anyways, I don't really like her, but
She's the awe.
the card.
She is the awe.
Okay. We still have another chance. I have also.
The awe.
Okay, manifest. It's ecstasy, serenity, rejoice. Not this one, except this one.
That's terror.
No.
But open it.
Okay. Shh. Oh no. Okay, it's not yet open section. Wait, I saw something.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
I see something.
You see something. Oh no. Did you see the car?
No. I think it's big. I'm not sure. Okay. The packaging is nice. So, panda. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Open my eyes.
Don't open. Hello? Something. Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Oh.
This is what I want. I like. It's this. Is it this ecstasy? No, I don't think so. It's the Trust. Trust. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Pinky. Hi, Trust. I need this because I have trust issues.
We are the same.
Okay.
I am the awe. And you
We'll see the Trust.
and
Trust.
awe.
Wait. His eyeglasses is like, I don't know if she is
It's magnetic.
magnetic one.
And mine is the awe.
Oh my god, that's so cute! I like it!
Mine is the awe.
Okay, next who? Next one. So this is the last two that we just bought yesterday
Yes, we did.
at Loft. It's kind of anime mitai. It looks like anime. Actually, it's the first time he likes What, this is kind of expensive than the other ones, I think. It's the most expensive, and he likes it. He suggested, and I like it too.
No, the most expensive you bought is the poo.
Yeah, poos, but just now. Yeah, you know, the one that you suggest for the first time. Maybe we like unboxing now.
No.
Okay. Anyways, so before we go to the one, please check my other video. Let's watch that video. Please balik to diri. So we choose this one na more siya anime like because he likes it to unbox its anime mitai kido. Which one do you like, B?
I like Korean.
What's the name? Blazing. Is it Blazing?
Yeah,
Blazing
Blaze.
Sun Shelter. And me, well, I'm a Cancer, so I like Sad Song Mermaid, like the water one, or maybe the pink one, like the rust. Is it rust color butterfly? So let's try the power of boyfriend. Choose the ones we like. Ow! I hope. Okay, one for him. Oh, one for you. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. The dungeon, to the bankruptcy, to poor wallet. Yoroshiku. Uy, lain kuchi. Success. Oh, yakin. Success. Bankruptcy. Here we come. So, let's see if he has powers, guys. The power of boyfriend. Please manifest what you want. So, who's going together or first?
Let's go together.
Unboxing. Wait, it's so hard. Huh?
Sorry. 1, 2,
3. Should we close our eyes? Oh, ooh, it's nice packaging. Look at the packaging. It's giving.
Because there's a card.
Oh, there's a card. It's giving animation. That's why they like it. Anime. Look at the packaging. What's the name? I can't read. Song of Light and the Dark Night. Wow! Song of Night and the Dark Night.
You already mistaken. A Song of Light and the Dark Night.
Okay, whatever it is.
Alright, let's
No,
go.
wait, where's the outfit? Okay.
1, 2, close your eyes again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, no. Oh my god!
Already taking it out?
No, not yet. 1,
1,
2, 3.
1, 2,
3.
3.
Pretty! Oh my gosh. Wait, they're pretty. What the heck?
What did you get?
Their card is not the one. Okay? Is this the one in the package?
Supposedly.
But the dress is different. It's white.
Oh, you got maybe the secret?
Oh, got you? This one? It's the same, right?
Yeah, this is what I got. This is
Different. No, it's not like that. No.
or this one.
Mine is the Dream Lost Paradise. The one at the packaging, like. But she's pretty. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, who got it?
Mine is Sakuba Brilliant. Look at that.
Like it's like our guardian angel. It's our inner side, like the daredevil and the
It's
angel.
giving energy.
But she's pretty, B. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude.
They're pretty.
Don't buy another one.
Baby responsa.
No.
Wait, but you don't have the power of boyfriend. We didn't even get what we wanted. We have 3 options and none of them are, oh my goodness gracious. But anyways, guys, these are the cards. Look at that. It's giving elemental powers. I like it. I love them.
Right.
So all what we got, guys, our collection. Look at those pretty angels.
Mine
And the
is
cards.
giving gothic.
Except for Yuki.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, that's all for today, for this year. Thank you so much for watching and like supporting my YouTube channel. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Last gastos, last result. Well.
Well. We might see again each other.
Next year, let's see. We're going to save money and we'll have a lot of collection. Never know. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. We love you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.